Hi everyone, welcome to Forex Weekly Forecast for Feb 21, 2026. For events for next week, Tuesday, Feb 24, President Trump's speech at 8 p.m. Thursday, Feb 26, unemployment claims at 7:30 a.m. Feb 27, Friday, core PPI at 7:30 a.m. For key levels, dollar buy side liquidity is at 97.768 and sell side is at 96.467. So it is currently near to the buyer's liquidity. If it grab this liquidity and show the rejection, so next it could go till 96.476. If it breaks this level, then next is 98.545. US dollar Japanese yen buyer side liquidity is at 155.604, sell side 152.603. If it grabs this liquidity, show rejection, it could come down till 152. If it breaks this area, the next area is 157. For Euro US dollar, buy side liquidity is at 1.19285, sellers liquidity 1.17423. It is near to sellers liquidity. Next week, if it grabs this liquidity and show the reversal, we could go till 1.19308. British pound US dollar, sellers liquidity 1.34345, buyers liquidity 1.37087. So if we take this liquidity and show the reversal, we could go till 1.37077. For gold, sell side liquidity is at 4855, buy side 15116. If it break this level, it could go till to fill this FHE or to take upper liquidity, that is 5583. If it shows the rejection over here, it could go till 4857 to take sellers liquidity. That's all for the Forex weekly forecast. See you next week.